So I know a lot of you guys that follow my channel love the long range centerfire content, and lately I've been having a lot of rimfire content. And I had a lot of comments saying, hey, when are you going to shoot or get back into shooting centerfire long range? Today, this is your video. Today we are shooting a big boy caliber, the 300 PRC, and we're going to talk about the rifle build. Now this is fresh off the lathe, and I actually had quite a bit of emails asking me if a pre-fit barrel is good enough and what is the benefit of a hand-fitted barrel. So today I'm going to show you guys what I do, and you guys make a decision if you think a hand-fitted barrel is a little bit more superior versus a pre-fit. And we're going to take this cartridge out with the factory ammunition, Hornady 300 PRC, 225 grain ELD match. We'll try to shoot this thing long range. If you guys like this content, stay tuned. Now, I often get this question quite a bit on my YouTube channel, on comments, as well as emails regarding my rifle builds and what they do any better than just buying a pre-fit barrel and installing it on a action. And to be honest, 90% of the shooters, including you guys watching this video right now, are typically just target shooters. And a pre-fit barrel as well as a factory rifle will actually pretty much do everything you needed to do for the type of engagement you plan on shooting. However, there is the niche market and certain set of people that are in competition, such as myself, that are looking for that extra edge of accuracy. And this accuracy is only gained by doing hand-fitted operations, tight-fitted operations, as well as your reloads. So folks that actually understand the tight tolerances, well, you'll know that reloads and a hand-fitted barrel typically outperform a factory rifle or a pre-fit barrel. Now, I'm not saying that pre-fit barrels do not work. I've had really great success with personal pre-fit barrels, and the only person I recommend for a pre-fit barrel from my own personal experience is Crown Ridge Barrel Works over there in Washington. Now, it seems like in today's society, we're relying more on machinery for higher production, and craftsmanship is just getting thrown out the door. What was once valued, made in the USA sticker is now kind of scoffed on, and skill traits today are hard to find. So I like to showcase what I do for a hand-fitted operation, and you guys tell me if this is worth it. So, Little Hawk, what do you think of this cartridge? Are you intimidated?
A little bit.
So, it's a big boy cartridge. It might kick a little bit. It's not anything bigger or longer than a 30-06, but there is a little bit more grains to this thing. So, you think this thing's going to hurt you a little bit or what?
I mean, compared to the wood shot, I'm not really scared. I'm just excited to see what it does.
Right. So, we got quite a bit of wind out here, 12 mile per hour to 16 mile per hour gust. Let's get this on paper at 100 yards. All right, so this rifle is on a Koger Arms long action. It does have a Night Force ATAC R 7 to 35 by 56 scope for what we're using today. Scope ace is a 20 MOA rail. The chassis that you see here is a Wooks Cobra. This is their hunting model. Action is super smooth. As far as the barrel, Krieger, it's a Krieger barrel, 1 in 10 twist, and it is chambered in the SAMI spec of the 300 PRC. Now, like I said, this is fresh off the lathe. Just bore sighted this thing. I think this thing's going to kick like a 30-06. You ready?
Yep.
It does have a Trigger Tech Diamond Series trigger on here. Here we go. That's not bad recoil. All right, first shot's out of the rifle in their 3-shot group and got it zeroed out. That's looking real good. All right, so 1,011 yards.
I hope I don't get scoped.
Don't get scoped. It's gonna hurt.
I hope not. 7.3?
Yep. Remember, preload.
I'm preloading all right.
It's gonna kick. Hold left edge.
Okay. Okay, that's not bad.
Okay, you hit right.
Half
Hold
nut.
about, I'd say 6 or 7 tenths left.
Okay.
That was good elevation. Impact, left edge. Ooh,
Wow.
that hit hard.
Oh my God.
So, guys, that was basically a 0, and we're right out to 1,000 yards with this cartridge on the second shot. So your wind call is going to be 6 tenths. You're holding 8?
No, I was like bracketing those 2 lines, probably, I don't know, something
That's
like
a half
5.
mil.
Half
So.
mil.
Okay, you hit right. So hold about 2 or half mil, or yeah, hold about, I'd say 6 or 7 tenths left. That was good elevation. Impact, left edge. Ooh, I hit hard.
Oh my God. Impact. Dude.
That's a big round.
That thing got some power.
All right, last shot, okay?
All right.
Oh,
Ah.
well, 300 PRC in the wind, brand new rifle, right out of the box, performing very well still. So I hope you guys enjoyed this footage of shooting the 300 PRC. Comment below. Let me know what you think of that chamber job and what you would pay for something like that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.